Zoom to Thailand.
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 Zoom to Thailand. Hi.
Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand.
Zoom to Thailand.
Tired of fighting with your girl? Tired of dealing with the same stuck-up women when you go out in the States? Tired of these fake-ass IG models begging for cash apps? Fellas, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to settle. The women in Pattaya outnumber the men 20 to 1 out here. No matter your age, your race, your height, or even your weight, they don't discriminate. They don't discriminate. Think I'm lying? Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my videos. You got questions? No problem. You balling on a budget? No problem. You scared of rejection? No problem. It's impossible to fail here. Book a consultation, become a Patreon member, make new friends, and join the family of Zoom to Thailand. Your life will never be the same. Zoom Tribe.
I'm
trying to do this little Christmas mix for you guys. Look at it. This is Christmas. Look what she doing. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? You in there cleaning up the bathroom on Christmas Eve? Yeah. Oh my goodness. You in there cleaning up? Look at this, man. I can't make this up, bro. Look. Boy, that's how you start Christmas, huh? You know they're gonna be mad, you know. Hey, wait, before they start with the slave shit, did I ask you to do this?
Why?
All right. How do you say my in English so they understand?
No.
Okay. I didn't ask you to do this, right?
No,
Right.
just
Dude, they be, you know they gonna make up some shit. They gonna be mad.
me look แบบ dirty มีแบบมีdon't like you know?
She cleans out my toilet for me because we got our own bathrooms, you guys. Elle got her bathroom over there.
I clean today as look like
Really?
I have every day look like แบบ today I clean this
What?
today I clean bathroom too and tomorrow I clean this way and after
She should
tomorrow
be folding my clothes and shit. You can't make this shit. I know y'all gonna get mad, but she really, this ain't like, this is no
yeah, I
cap.
have every day morning, you know.
This what you do when I go play golf, this what you do?
I literally, just you here, you know. But you go play golf, I like to keep this always because you're not here.
Oh, because I'm not here. I know I'm here now. I walk in, you start screaming.
Yeah,
and
I can,
oh, the mirror and all that?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, baby. I appreciate it. Merry Christmas.
Very cute.
I can't make this shit up. Anyway, I got to get back to this Christmas thing I'm showing you guys, but I can't make this up. This is my process, you guys, going through the music. I got to find the music, the right music. It got to be right. It got to have that knock. I got some knock to it. So this is what I do, you guys. Like, I go through hours and hours of just finding this shit hits the right way. This is how I was when I was a DJ, man. You go through the crates. It's time you start in the middle. You look for the break. Look for the intro. It's gotta knock the right way. So I'll put a heart by that, so I know I like that. And I'll bring that into the fray. I might use it now, I might use it later. And I'll just keep on going through till I find something that I can hit you all over the head with. Because originally, I'm gonna show you guys, originally I had this. You know they're gonna hit me for it, so I'm gonna give y'all a couple seconds of it. But this is the way I originally did this. I got Shamar. Shamar used to be like Santa Claus. I call it the Shama Claus. Every year he would give gifts to everybody. That was his way of saying thank you to his friends or whatever. So I'm gonna start with that. I'll hit him with the.
It's 12:30 a.m. Christmas Eve. I'm out with the gangsters and thieves.
Okay, that's all I can play because then they're gonna hit me for it. But I'm saying, like, so my Patreons, I can go over them and hit them with this kind of stuff. But I got to go back and find licensed music that I can play that's funky. It ain't the same, and I don't like the music with the words on it too much. Put you to sleep. But this is my process, you guys. Cool, but that's not the mood I'm looking for. Gotta hit a certain kind of mood. So this is why it takes me so long, you guys, because I will literally spend hours, sometimes days, till I find exactly what I'm looking for. That was kind of cool. And I don't know what I'm looking for. It just gotta hit me, like the mood has to hit me. All right, but I ain't gonna hold you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the process. But now you guys about to see what it looks like when it comes together. Y'all ready? All right, here we go.
What's your guess?
This is easy.
Okay, Keith, what do you got? I don't know. What's your guess? What's your guess? A who? What is that? Back to the Future? What is that? Okay, what's your guess? You don't know? That's your guess. Richard?
A drone.
A drone. What's your guess? You don't guess? Okay.
No. Come on, slide around. What was guess?
What's a hoverboard?
That
sounds like Back to the Future.
You stand on.
Listen to me. I really hope you guys have a good time. Everybody have fun with this. On your marks, get set. Merry Christmas, go.
There we go. Oh, it is the hoverboard. Woo! Oh, we got hoverboards. Santa Claus. We got hoverboards. Yeah. I bought one for my daughter. Now I got my own.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
Hey, look, I'm gonna tell you like this. People travel. What? They never really understood and they never believed people that travel. You inspire a lot of people to be like, hey, you know what? Let me try these places. You the goddamn new generation that inspired the newer generation to travel, man. That's what you got on that, man. The old cats, we already know. Nobody believes it. The new cats believe it because they seen it. They ain't believe the Polaroid pictures you showed. They believe the YouTube now. It's real.
And I appreciate that medal you gave.
Got it, baby.
What's it called? You gave me?
That's the talent coin, man. Military talent coin. I gave you that. That's my personal coin right there. All right?
And I got it right here. Take it on with me.
Don't forget to subscribe for my channel.